Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to swap SIM on Vodacom. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so first things first, make sure you have your new SIM card ready. If you don't have one yet, you can grab it at any Vodacom store or order online. Once you've got it, you're halfway there. Next, you want to turn off your phone. This is very important so your phone can safely switch over to the new SIM without any issues. Now open the SIM tray on your phone. It might be on the side or back depending on your phone model. Use a paperclip or a SIM ejector tool to pop it out. Remove the old SIM card carefully and insert the new Vodacom SIM card in the same position, making sure it fits perfectly. Once that's done, pop your tray back into your phone and turn it on. Your phone should recognize the new SIM right away. If it doesn't, don't panic, just restart your phone and it should work. If everything looks good and you're getting a signal, you're all set to enjoy your new SIM. Lastly, if you run into any problems or need help, Vodacom customer care is just a call away. You can reach them or visit their store for extra support. And that's it. Super easy, right? Happy connecting with your new Vodacom SIM.